Using layers is a handy feature inside IMS Map360. Using layers lets you turn on and off the visibility of different objects in a drawing, and it's really easy to set up. On the Draw tab, you'll see a little drop-down list here that in this example here, it's listing all of the layers in this drawing. When you use this drop-down list, you can't create new layers directly in this list, but it lets you freeze and thaw layers, which means that's the visibility of the layer. You can lock the layer so it doesn't, you can't accidentally edit any entities on that layer. And then you can also change the color of the layer by just clicking on these boxes here. So for example, some of that text in the drawing, I've got some layers here with text, and you'll see as I change it from a sun to a snowflake, that those layers are being turned off. Now they're not being erased. This is just controlling the visibility of those layers. You can go into a more advanced view of your layer manager by clicking this button, and this gives you a bigger list or a bigger view of the different functions for each layer. This is a lot more advanced, and this is where you would create a new layer. So if I wanted to create a new layer called Jason, which is my name, I've just created that. If I want to set the layer to, let's pick this color here. And if I want, so I've created that layer. So if I close this, you're going to see there is a layer here called Sketch. And what that means is if I draw something like a line, this line here is on the sketch layer. If I want to set it to the layer I just created, Jason, I need to select it from the list. And now if I do that same command line, you're going to see it's now on the Jason layer. If you've got entities in the drawings that you're not sure what layer it's on, the easiest way to confirm that is just single click with your left mouse button on the entity, and in this list it'll tell you what layer it's on. So right now that is on the feature road layer. Hit escape to cancel. It's called the pre-select. You'll see that's on a layer called feature road. That one's going to be on Jason. That one's on the sketch layer. And that is a quick overview of using layers in IMS Map 360.